Hi, everybody. This is Michael Levitas with Marina Shepelsky, a divorce attorney. And Marina, you're always very frank and honest in your answers. And today it's very important to know regarding COVID pandemic. It's affecting everybody. And even in a divorce situation, it could have an effect. Specifically, vaccination. That's a very big hot button issue these days. Tell me something. If your spouse or your ex-spouse refuses to vaccinate him or herself or the child, is there anything you can do by going to a family or divorce attorney?
Absolutely. If you strongly believe that your child should be vaccinated,
Okay.
if you believe that it's not safe for your child to be around your unvaccinated ex, you hire a matrimonial attorney and you reach out to them. And if you cannot get any agreement out of them, you take this matter to family court.
Okay.
Because as of today, vaccination refusals are very much an issue in family courts, and the judges usually will rule on the side of vaccinating your child. Although, you know, about forcing an adult to be vaccinated, that's questionable. However, family court can help you on the decision, and this is a decision of legal custody, right? Legal custody involves decisions relating to the child's health, education, and so on, right? There's physical custody, which is where does your child sleep at night most of the time, right? So if you and the other parent share legal custody, and that happens a lot in New York, especially, I see everywhere, and you is sharing custody and not having spelled out who is the final decision maker, right? Some people say we share custody, but mom gets the final decision maker, right? If you cannot agree, and the mom, for example, is not entitled to the final decision making, you have to go to court and get the court involved to agree on this legal custody issue. Vaccination is part of that. Health, education, it's all legal custody, right? So you say, look, custody means we have to make the decisions with the best interest of the child in mind, right? Medicine in America today and all over the world really says that kids over 12 should be vaccinated. Even now, I think vaccines for under 12 are coming out soon. Anyway, you know, and I think that, look, especially if, you know, you want the kid to be vaccinated and you have an older parent who is very, you know, a high risk person, like they have a heart disease or they have lung disease or whatever, or cancer, you have good reasons why you're afraid that your child will get sick. The child probably will not die from COVID, but they'll bring it home and your parents might die. They'll get sick and die. So you go to family court and you make a motion, you file a petition, and you say, look, we have this issue that's very relevant and we can't agree on, and we go from there. And there's been already precedents in many states, including New York, where a parent's refusal to vaccinate or get the kids vaccinated has caused them to lose custody or very limited visitation of the kids. So be aware.
Understood. Okay, thank you. Marina, just to clarify, so if you are in a marriage, you're not planning on getting divorced, however, you are about vaccinations of your children, can you go to family court without actually getting divorced, just for the one purpose of getting the judge to have your spouse allow vaccination of the kids?
Not really, because I believe that if both parents are living on the same roof, there's no separate custody. So they're already sharing custody. I mean, you know, I don't see why you can't try. You can certainly try, but, you know, they might say, well, you know, there's no jurisdiction. You're still living on the same roof. You share custody. You should make this decision yourself. If you're planning to separate, that's a separate issue.
I understand. Okay, Marina, thank you very much. I appreciate your answer. And we're going to have your phone number at the bottom of the screen. If anybody has any questions, they can call Marina Shepelsky for a consultation. Thank you and have a good day.